Hey everyone, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and if you think this jean jacket is cute now, just wait until we flip it over and show you the Spangle transfer that we made today. So the best part about this is honestly, the cost to produce this is so low. So all of these spangles, it's 4,466 spangle punches to make this, and it's only $3.12 worth of spangles. With the transfer tape being 32 cents, you're under $4 to produce this whole spangle transfer. You can sell that as is, but you can also put it on apparel like this really nice quality jean jacket and make tons of money. So let me show you how we did it. First, the Spangle Elite will punch our Spangle design adhesive side up onto a piece of our Spangle transfer tape. Then we will have to switch out our Spangle cartridge because this is a two-color design here. So now I'll just insert my orange spangles into my machine and use glue dots to stick the two pieces together. Then I'm just going to advance my roll here until I see the silver spangles have gone away and now we're on the orange spangle tape. Then I can press go and my Spangle Elite is going to finish punching out my design. Now that this is done, I'm going to put the backing on top of my finished design so that I can remove it from the machine. And now this can be transferred or sold as is or stored for later. Next, we're ready to press. So I have my Port Authority jean jacket on my heat press already, and this is a really high quality, thick material jacket from ColemanandCompany.com. And the best part about Spangles is I only need to press this for 15 seconds. When it's complete, I do want this to be warm to the touch before removing my carrier sheet, so I'll move it to the side. And for the final step, you'll slowly peel back the clear film, revealing your finished Spangle masterpiece. If you're interested in getting into the spirit wear and cheer market, you should seriously consider the Spangle Elite. It is a great add-on machine for any of the other customization equipment that we sell here at ColDesi, but it's also great on its own. Bling jackets like this sell for big money, and you can put these spangles on so many different types of fabric. Now, like we said earlier, this jacket has $3.12 worth of spangles on it. But if you were to make this with rhinestones, you are looking at least 5 times more cost to produce. And if you want to make spangle transfers for even cheaper, you can learn about our Pro Spangle machine, which is like the Spangle Elite's big sister. So if you're ready to start making money with Bling, go ahead and live chat with one of our pros at ColDesiBling.com.